Hello everybody, it's Corvette Dan. Welcome back to the channel. Topic of today's video is, what do you think of the letters? You know, you see these and people put, the various vinyl lettering in here. Sometimes they're chrome, sometimes they're a different color, domed, whatnot. So, recently I was at the Corvette Fun Fest and I saw these. Now they're fancier, domed letters, says Corvette. They go inside the letters here, right? And if you think about it, if you look at these letters up close, I mean, from a distance, they're okay, but looking up close, they're definitely, I'd even say 1 foot letters. Not bad at all, and they've been here for a while. So when I went to remove the old letters, I was taking a look. I said, you know what? I kind of like it without the letters. So that's what this video is about. What's your opinion? Do you think I should leave it? Or do you think I should take the rest of the letters out and replace them with these that I got at Mid-America Motor Works for 15 bucks. Anyway, folks, that's what I'm thinking about. In case you were wondering, how did I get these letters off, these stickers, after owning the car almost 17 years? Yeah, a little bit of Zippo lighter fluid. Not that I smoke, but it works to get the glue off, and a lot of elbow grease. These letters are stuck really good. Also, a hair dryer would probably help out, but I would definitely avoid the heat gun. You don't need to burn the paint. Take your time when you're doing something like this. Anyway, let me know what you think. Please click that bell. You'll be notified. I drop videos daily, as you know. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. This is Corvette Dan, everyone. Thank you very much.